This is OPPO A77 and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So to start, you will need to download and install the free third-party app called Caffeine. So let me quickly do that. Once the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it. In here, simply make sure that the timeout parameter was set to the infinite value, and as long as the Caffeine app will stay active in the background, or I've actually just accidentally closed it, or so relaunch it. So anyway, as long as it will stay active in the list of recent apps, so make sure not to turn it off, your screen will not automatically turn itself off. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.